North Africa. Region, Africa. Written by All. Fact-checked by Last updated, March 9, 2025. Article history. News US says Moroccan proposal should be sole basis for Western Sahara talks. April 8, 2025, 1:51 p.m. Eastern Time, Straits Times. North Africa, region of Africa comprising the modern countries of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya. The geographic entity North Africa has no single accepted definition. It has been regarded by some as stretching from the Atlantic shores of Morocco in the west to the Suez Canal and the Red Sea in the east, though this designation is more commonly referred to as Northern Africa. Others have limited it to the countries of Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia, a region known by the French during colonial times as Afrique du Nord and by the Arabs as the Maghreb, West. The most commonly accepted definition, and the one used here, includes the three above-mentioned countries as well as Libya but excludes Egypt. The regions encompassed by both the second and third definitions, however, have also been called Northwest Africa. The ancient Greeks used the word Libya, derived from the name of a tribe on the Gulf of Sidra, to describe the land north of the Sahara, the territory whose native peoples were subjects of Carthage, and also as a name for the whole continent. The Romans applied the name Africa, of Phoenician origin, to their first province in the northern part of Tunisia, as well as to the entire area north of the Sahara and also to the entire continent. The Arabs used the derived term Ifriqiya in a similar fashion, though it originally referred to a region encompassing modern Tunisia and eastern Algeria. In all likelihood, the Arabs also borrowed the word Berber, from the Latin Berberi to describe the non-Latin-speaking peoples of the region at the time of the Arab conquest, and it has been used in modern times to describe the non-Arabic-speaking population called Berbers by the French and known generally as the Berbers, although their term for themselves, Amazigh, has grown in usage. As a result, Europeans have often called North Africa the Barbary States or simply Barbary. A frequent usage refers to the non-Phoenician and non-Roman inhabitants of classical times, and their language, as Berber. It should be stressed, however, that the theory of a continuity of language between ancient inhabitants and the modern Berbers has not been proved. Consequently, the word Libyan is used here to describe these people in ancient times. The countries of Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia have also been known as the Atlas lands, for the Atlas mountains that dominate their northern landscapes, although each country, especially Algeria, incorporates sizable sections of the Sahara. Farther east in Libya, only the northwestern and northeastern parts of the country, called Tripolitania and Cyrenaica respectively, are outside the desert. Church of St. George, Bet Georges, Lalibela, Ethiopia. UNESCO World Heritage Site. BR